All right, so this is the time when you guys are going to start writing your thesis for your papers. So the best way to write your thesis, and the thesis, as we discussed in class, is mainly what your paper is about. All right, it's the central idea of your entire paper. So before I write my thesis, the thesis is going to go right into this box when you're on your main dashboard for your project. If you click on note cards and outline, before I make my thesis, what I want to do is I want to read over again my 4 inquiry questions. So I open up my index card that has my 4 inquiry questions. I'm going to look at my first, second, third, and fourth inquiry. So again, my first inquiry is looking about how much water is used around the world. My second inquiry is why are individuals in the world wasting so much water. The third one is preventing, and the fourth one is it's important to prevent because it's dangerous. So I want to take all these ideas and I kind of want to make one unified sentence. So I'm going to kind of write my thesis over here in this section because that way I'm able to look back and forth at my questions and the sentence that I'm forming. So I might write the overuse of water is important to eliminate. Now the overuse of water connects to my blue inquiry because my blue inquiry is talking about that water is being overused around the world, and eliminating connects to my third inquiry about prevention. So far the beginning of my thesis connects to and showcases 2 of my 4 inquiries. The overuse of water is important to eliminate because wasting water is a common trend that causes many dangers for our society. Now, if you look at my thesis, the thesis is only 1 sentence long. It's as long as a thesis is supposed to be. Thesis is the heart of your paper. All right, again, your thesis in this 1 sentence here summarizes what my entire paper is going to be about. Now, wasting water is a common trend. That connects to my second inquiry about why are we wasting water, because the trends are the different reasons why we're wasting water. And then you're going to have it causes many dangers for our society, which connects to my fourth inquiry about the overconsumption of water being dangerous. So my 1 thesis statement showcases my 4 inquiries. So in 1 sentence I have the overuse of water is important to eliminate because wasting water is a common trend that causes many dangers for our society. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight this with my mouse. So that means I'm going to click here, hold down the click, and I'm going to drag it over all the words, drag it up. Now that it's highlighted in blue, I'm going to right click the mouse. I'm going to hit copy. Now I'm going to save this, and now I'm going to go back to dashboard. And then right here where it says thesis, I'm going to right click, paste, and submit. And there's my thesis for my paper. So for you guys, I want you to create the thesis for your research papers. 1 sentence that summarizes what your entire paper is going to be about. Again, I would go to your note cards, and as you guys are creating your thesis, you can create it right here on the same note card as your 4 inquiry questions because it's easier to make sure that your sentence is representing the 4 inquiry questions that you created. All right. If you have any questions, please feel free to use this video as you're making it, or please email me.